After we have earned a living and we have earned from what we work, maybe salary, maybe wages or payments, governments expect us to return, this time not to return tithes and offerings, but to return taxes. And taxes shall be the center of our discussion this very morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're listening and watching us. We are in truth and in spirit Word of Worship Fellowship, and this is our Saturday fellowship here at Twin Towers Inspire Cafe. Our topic of discussion this morning, or this afternoon, or this evening, depending on the time you're listening or watching us, is taxes and taxation. So you wake up very early in the morning to go for work, or maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're a preacher, maybe you are a worker, you're an engineer, you are a bricklayer. Name the work you're doing. Maybe you're a tomato vendor and so on, or you're a market vendor. And everything you do, or everything, or from everything you earn, you pay taxes. That's our topic. We need to ask our first question: what are taxes? With me is Francis Kabinuli Lugorobi, a seasoned accountant and a money teacher. I would like to welcome you once again. Francis,
Yes,
what is a tax?
a tax is a charge by government, central government, or local government on income from individuals or organizations or companies.
Taxes on income,
A tax is on income.
where income means
Income means money or resources or assets earned from production, from business, from work.
say that again. Income.
Income.
Take it slowly. Break it down slowly. Income.
Income is money or resources or assets or value earned from work or from employment, from business, from production or value addition.
Okay. So when I am a teacher,
When you're a teacher, yeah?
when I earn my 500,000, what is being taxed? My value, aka my teaching service, or the money I earn from my teaching service? What is being taxed? What is being taxed? Both or either?
Uh, you are being, the tax charge is on the value. But because value is measured in form of money,
Okay.
like we saw in previous conversations, because money is measured in form of value, sorry, value is measured in form of money. So even taxes are charged on money because that's the measure of value. So the actual charge is on value,
Okay.
but the means of executing the charge is money. Money is a tool of taxation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, must must taxes be paid? Must they be paid? Before I go to who pays the tax,
Yeah.
must they be paid anyway?
Taxes must be paid because time immemorial we've had government. As long as you have government, taxes must be paid.
Isn't it? Because in most cases, people understand taxes as injustice.
Oh,
That yes, that's what is in. That's what lies in the hearts, deep in the hearts of people. That okay, we have a lot of taxes. This government is unfair. So people are ranting over what they call injustice. Isn't taxation or taxing an injustice or a form of injustice? Or it could be a form of
it
injustice.
could be. In principle, taxation is not, or taxes are not a form of injustice,
Okay.
but they can be an injustice the way taxes are applied. My Bible says Jesus, when God was on earth, he told us to give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar.
Okay.
So, as I told you that time immemorial, human beings have been governed or have been organized, have been administered by government, central government and local government at the local level. And in order for those governments to do their work of administering people and bringing common services or the common good to the populations they serve, they need resources to do the administration and to man the resources which are used commonly, like public roads, like hospitals or healthcare, like 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 dams, like electricity dams. So for these governments to run, like security, security both in policing and in making sure that the borders are secure using the army, stopping other countries from invading us. So for the government to get money for security, for roads, for healthcare, for education, they need resources. And those resources can only be gotten from taxes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the cost, is it the cost? The cost. Expenses or the cost of running government or running governance, wherever government exists,
yeah,
is only met through taxes.
Yeah. Not only, but taxes are the main source of income or resources to man government. Governments also run businesses. Some governments, not all government, but some governments run businesses, and those businesses help them generate resources or money which is used in administering or manning the populace.
Whom is taxed?
Primarily,
whom is taxed? Who
primarily
pays the tax?
The principle of taxation is based on income. Remember, we first define income. So whoever earns income, and in taxation or in finance and accounting, an individual is not only a human being. Even organizations which are running a business or which are doing any form of work are called individuals. So any individual, human or inhuman, who earns income must pay tax.
Okay, I would like to come back to income again.
Yeah.
So whom is taxed? Whosoever makes income.
Whosoever makes income.
Whosoever makes income is taxed. Is it income that is taxed, or is it out of income that taxation is subjected, or out of the profit? How different are they? When I sell my bogoya and I earn 200 shillings out of the 500, 200 shillings is my profit. Or what does the person who levies tax do? Does he levy tax on my 200 profit or on the 500?
Okay. Now, to answer you, I need to go back to the principles of work or business. Yeah. Business is doing something in order to earn a profit. So if you work with the end aim of earning a profit, you are doing business. So the income you get is not necessarily profit, because you must remove all the expenses and costs made during perpetuation of that job or of that business. Then whatever is left is called the profit. So the tax is charged on the profit, not the gross income, but on the net profit.
On the net profit.
Yeah.
When I receive my 500,000 shillings every month after being paid by government as a teacher of English language and literature, I have a mandatory reduction from my 500,000, what they call pay as you earn.
Yeah.
Is that pay as you earn being deducted from your profit, deducted from my profit, or deducted from my gross income?
Now, for those who earn income in form of salary or wages,